Hello. Welcome to another Gold Energy Flows with me, Shauna Teakin. How you be? I'm traveling at the moment. I'm in Melbourne. Ah, it's different. It's a little cold, even though it's summer. I really notice the difference in the energies. Have you noticed that when you travel or when you go to a different city, the clothes that you usually wear that you like and you feel comfortable in somehow don't seem to work or they don't fit or there is a mismatch. And I wonder whether that's a reading of the energy of where we live. We dress in like a way that harmonizes or is our response, our reflection to our environment. And when you go to a completely different environment, I'm not just talking about temperatures and seasonal changes. I mean, there is a different, my body wants to respond differently to that environment. Interesting, hey? So, anyway, the energy that I want to look at today is a worldwide energy. It's the energy of birds. Because when I go and stay in a big city, what I notice is the kinds of birds. At home, I have lots of lorikeets, parrots, galahs, colorful, noisy, amazing amounts of birds. And here in the city, what I'm mostly seeing is pigeons. And it's not so very long ago that pigeons were actually a vital part of people's lives. People ate pigeons, they kept a dovecot or a pigeon loft, they kept them as pets. Of course, they use them for communication because if you wanted to send a message, you could send a pigeon messenger. And now they've become kind of like a pest for people. They're like rats. They're like, oh, dirty pigeons. Oh, why are there so many? Yuck. So they've gone from being this amazing contribution, useful, honored, nurtured, cared for to pigeons. Why do we need pigeons? So let's look at the energy of birds in the way that you can look at the energy of horses or dogs or cats. Hmm. Okay. So take a deep breath. Oh, pull energy down through the top of your head as you breathe out with a big sigh. Allow the energy to flow through you. And as you are lit from within, as you have your own internal light beaming out, as you bring more energy through, it just expands that light. Expand your light outwards. If anything has dimmed it down, like you've had an upset or a drama or a worry, allow yourself to expand out. Let the energy flow through you into the earth. Be reminded that the earth is alive, it's always there, it's always contributing. Allow earth energy into your body. Oh, that's nice. Pull it up through your feet, wiggle your toes, up through your tummy, up through your back, out your hands. Allow yourself to relax. Even saying those words, relax, relax, relax. Keep going. Relax your shoulders, relax your eyes, your mouth, your cheeks, anywhere you're holding tight. Go bigger than your town, bigger than your city, in front of you and behind. Expand, expand. Turn up the flame within. This is very healing for your body. It helps your body to generate fresh all the time. It's good for your digestion. Now, let's look at the energy of birds. If there were an overseeing bird spirit, great spirit of the birds, how many lifetimes have you had a bird companion? A raven, an owl, an eagle, a parrot? How often we are surrounded by birds, or there are birds in our environment we don't even realize they're just there. Yes, they are just there in the sense of energetically always spreading their wings wide. When a bird chirps, whistles, calls out, sings a song, that song vibrates with your body. And I have always said, I probably didn't discover this, I probably heard it somewhere. If you hear a bird call, that call is in direct response to and for your body. It will change the harmonics of your body energy in a very positive way. Where I live in Brisbane at dusk, we don't really have a twilight, but as it's getting dark, all of the parrots start coming down to roost for the night, and the noise is absolutely deafening. If you were to try and sit outside at a cafe where these trees are that the lorikeets are nesting in, you couldn't have a conversation. Is that good for my body? Well, it's an energy. It's a receiving of energy. So next time you're walking down the street, sitting out on your veranda, on a train, you see a bird, open up your energy to receive, even though they no longer have the jobs they used to have, even though they have been pushed aside as creatures, they are still being a contribution. Hello, birds. Hello. Oh, great bird spirit. Thank you. All of the lifetimes they have contributed to you and continue to do that, whether or not you're aware of it, whether or not you want to have contact with birds. So all of the associations you have with birds as not being great, as being disease carriers or dirty or just a problem. Wow. Relax and expand. Relax and expand. Can you be the space of a bird? A bird is willing, and in order to fly, a bird needs to have this incredible space, energy space. Can you expand into the space of a bird and fly? Energetically, can you have as much space within as the sky? A vista within you. That seems strange, doesn't it? Relax, expand. Oh, oh, of course, chickens are birds, aren't they? How much they still contribute in the food chain. Turkeys, oh my goodness. Eggs. Relax and expand. Thank you, bird tribe. Thank you. I wonder why it is that angels are often pictured with feathered wings. So many associations. If you will expand your perception. Relax relax and expand. And this really is just another way of expanding your receiving, your communion with earth, your contribution, because when you receive more, of course, you're gifting more. I'm looking at some pigeons out my window here. Someone's got a pigeon loft. There's a rooftop garden. I'll take a photo. Ah, okay. So just a little awareness as you go through your day. Follow birds, follow sky. Talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.